What's the next one, man?
N pi plus
pi
alpha
plus y
N pi
plus alpha.
alpha plus alpha.
N pi plus alpha. Next.
N pi plus or minus alpha.
Pi plus or minus alpha.
Pi plus or minus 2 alpha.
A and B, man.
N pi plus or minus
N pi plus or minus b.
और कुछ सीखे इस चैप्टर में अपन सीखे ना टू सॉल्व a sin x b cos x is equal to c. What we should do?
Divide by root a square.
Divide by root of
A
a
square plus
square plus b square and proceed. One more point. When will a sin x plus b cos x is equal to c as solution? A sin x as solution if and only if. Where should c belongs to? Where should c belongs
Minus
to?
root s.
Minus root a square plus b square comma plus root a square plus b square. Come on, copy this. We'll continue. Can I proceed? Tell me once you are done, man. I should know.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
One thing. They will never ask you option A. It is a single answer question. How to solve this problem in the exam, not in the class. Remember, in the exam,
Substitute.
during the exam, substitute. If you solve, then you are wasting your time. Exam mein, your intention should be to maximize marks. How to increase the score? Exam mein, students' intention must be how to increase the score. Therefore, during exam, put pi by 2, sin 90 1, cos 90 0. Is first one satisfying? Yes. Single answer question. Just close your eyes and pick up first one as the answer. That's the reason why he will never ask such problems in the exam. Don't underestimate examiner. He is very smart. He is smart He is definitely much smarter than you and me. You know what he will do? He will put condition minus 2 pi to 2 pi. Then he will say number of solutions. In this case, can you use substitution method? No. He will say number of solutions. Trigonometric equations में in particular, they will never ask you problems on general solutions. They will always ask, they'll give one condition, they will restrict the interval, they will restrict the interval, they will restrict the interval and ask you number of solutions. Now, we shall practice some problems of this kind. Write this. Left hand side, what formula you apply?
Cos C plus cos B.
What formula you apply?
Cos C plus cos.
Plus cos B. Right hand side, what formula you apply? Sin C plus sin D. Bachelor, I am writing formulae also. Whenever I write formulae like this, even in the notes also, you please write the formulae so that it will be practice and you remember them. What is cos C plus cos D?
2 cos C plus d by 2 cos C minus d by 2.
2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. What is sin C plus sin D?
2 sin C plus d by 2 cos C minus d by 2.
What is sin C plus sin D? 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Come on. Apply this formula on LHS RHS. First step will be over. बच्चे लोग बोलेंगे what will we
2
apply?
cos pi x
2 cos
Pi x by 2
cos x by
by
2.
2 and 2 sin 2
2
x
sin
cos
x
x
2 sin x
2
cos
sin
x
x
by
cos
2.
x by 2.
Why disturbance man? Please mute yourself. 3x by 2
2x
3x by 2 plus x by 2 whole by 2.
Sin x
Sin x, sin x, sin x.
Second one.
cos x by 2.
Hello. Do we need to cancel cos x by 2?
No.
No. Don't make that mistake. Cos x by 2 common. What will I get? Cos 5x by 2. How many cases? Two cases. Case 1. Case 1. What will I get, man? Cos x by 2 is 0. So, bache log, what is your x by 2?
2n plus 1 side.
2n plus 1. 2 will cancel off. What is your x? What happens? n0. n0.
5.
X is pi. Is this taken, not taken? Taken,
Taken.
taken, not taken? Taken. n1. What is x?
Pi.
P pi. Taken, not taken?
Not taken.
Not taken. Once it does not happen for 1. Once it does not happen for 1, do we need to substitute 2, 3, 4, 5 and all? No, we should stop. Anyhow, negative values it is not taking. But even if you want, you can check. What happens n minus 1? N minus 1, what does it becomes? N minus 1, what does it becomes?
minus pi.
Is equal to minus 5. Taken, not taken?
Not
Taken,
taken.
not taken? Not taken. Once it is not true for minus 1, do we need to check for minus 2, minus 3, minus 4? No,
No.
you can leave it. So, कितने solutions आए? कितने? कितने
1.
solutions मिले?
1.
एक solution मिला. Come on, do the next one. What's the next one? Cos pi x by 2 is equal to sin x. How do you write sin x? Cos pi by 2 minus x. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. What will I get, man? What will I get, man? Cos A is equal to cos B. Cos A is equal to cos B. What
2
will I
and
get?
5.
Pi x by 2 is equal to 2 and pi plus or minus. How many cases I get here? Two cases. Case 1, pi x by 2 is equal to 2n pi plus or 2n pi plus pi by 2 minus x. What is case 2? Pi x by 2 is equal to 2n pi plus or minus me what I have taken? Plus. Next time I should take minus. Minus of pi by 2 minus x. Minus of pi by 2 minus x. What does it becomes? Minus pi by 2 plus x. Come on, complete these two cases. Give me number of solutions.
Total 6 solutions, sir, including that first one.
These problems are important for JEE mains and advanced exam.
Solution, sir.
Problems of this type are asked in JEE mains and advanced. These problems are important, all of you. Please solve problems of this type as many as you can. Please practice problems of this type as many as you can. These problems are important for JEE mains and advanced exam. X inner law. What is 5x by 2 plus x1? 5x by 2 plus x1. 7x by 2. What does it becomes?
4n by plus 5 by
4n plus 1, 5 by 2.
2 कट गया. What is x?
4n plus 1
1
into
plus
5 by
1
7.
4n plus 1 into 5 by 7. What is 5 by 7 approximately? 7 ones, 7 twos, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 40. 25 degrees है.
6, sir.
5 by 7 approximately कितना degrees है बोलो? 24, 25. 25 डालेंगे.
25, sir, 25.
Yes, sir.
25 point something. Now N0 25,
5 by 7 only.
N1 every
5
time
by
people,
7.
hello, don't write like this man. बहुत लंबा हो जाता है. Write directly. 25. Put N1.
5 pi by 7.
5 pi by 7. 5 into 25.
100.
125.
125.
125, sorry.
5 into 25. 125. N2. 9. Hello. Look at these solutions. They will be in AP. 5 by 7 fixed there. 5 minus 1. 4. 9 minus 5. 4. Solutions will always be in. Solutions will always be in AP. Therefore, 9 pi by 7. 25 nines. Kitna is it? 25 8 is
225.
100.
225.
25 nines. 225. 13 pi by 7. 225 को every time
5 by 7.
25.
every time आप कितना ऐड कर रहे हो? You are adding 4. एक pi by 7 is 25. 4 pi by 7 is 100. ये 25 था. ये कितना हो गया? 125.
125.
ये कितना हुआ?
225.
225. ये कितना होगा?
325.
325.
5.
कहाँ तक जाना?
360.
360. 225 का next
425.
425.
425. 13 pi by 7 का next क्या होगा? You are adding how much? 4.
17 pi by 7.
Can I take this? No. 25, 125, 225, 325, 425 नहीं होता. 1, 2, 3, 4 solutions I get here. Next वाला check करो.
4n minus 1, 5 by 3.
5x by 2 minus 5x by 2 minus x कितना होगा?
3x by 2.
3x by 2.
Is equal to
4n plus 1.
4n minus 1, 5 by 3.
4n minus 1 pi by 2.
कर गया.
2 cancel.
Auto cancel. 4n minus 1, 5 by 3.
ये आसान है. 5 by 3 is how many degrees?
60 degrees.
5 by 3 is 60. Put n equal to 0. Can n be 0? No. Can n be 1?
Yes.
What does it gives you?
3 pi by 3, 5.
Pi. 5.
3 pi by 3.
equals 5.
N1. N2.
Not possible.
N2. 4 2 is 8. 8 minus 1.
More
7. 7 pi by 3. Is it possible?
No, no.
But is this value already there? Yes. So how many solutions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 solutions.
But if it fits, I am telling you, problems of this type are important for competitive exams. For all competitive exams, trigonometry equations only, JEE mains, JEE advanced, BITSAT exam, all competitive exams, trigonometry equations will get only problems of this type. Any doubts? I am here to explain. You can ask me. Doubts, most welcome. I'm waiting.
Sir, please don't rub the last part.
Pardon me?
Please don't rub the last part.
Yeah, no. Only I'm writing one more column. I know. I will not rub the entire board. I'm waiting. Please solve on your own. All of you. Whole class should try this. Solution will be there on the board. Solution you will see on the board after 5 minutes. But before that, I want whole class to try. Come on. Whole class, please try them. Any difference in clarity if I drag little bit backwards?
No, sir.
Clarity is the same, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. I am here to help you. I am here to solve all the problems. I will solve the problem on the board. But before that, I want every one of you to try it. Come on. Don't sit idle. Keep trying. Problems of this type are very important for all competitive exams, mains, advanced, and BITSAT. Shall I write the formula? I am writing formula also. बच्चे लोग, what is cos C plus cos D? Cos C plus cos D. 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos cos C minus D by 2. And what is 1 plus cos 2A? 2 cos square A. Apply these two formulae. Come on. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. What will I get? What is cos 6 theta plus cos 4 theta? 2 cos 6 theta plus 4 theta. 10 theta by 2. 10 theta by 2. 5 theta cos 6 theta minus 4 theta. 2 theta by 2 theta. What is 1 plus cos 2 theta? 2 cos square theta. बच्चे लोग दोनों में से क्या कॉमन? 2 cos theta common. What will I get?
Pi theta plus cos theta.
Pi theta. What is case 1?
2 cos theta equal to 0.
So cos theta is equal to 0. What do I get? 2n plus 1.
Pi by 2.
अब बोलो, how many values n takes? Can n take 0? Yes. Can n take 1? Can n take 1? No. Only this is possible. And this obtained for n equal to 0. This I obtained for n equal to 1. To the second part, again, cos phi theta, what principle you apply? Cos C plus
Cos C
cos
plus
D.
cos D.
2 cos C plus D by 2. 5
Theta.
theta plus theta. 6 theta. 6 theta by 2. 5 theta minus theta. 4 theta by 2.
4 theta.
How many cases? 2 cases.
2 cases.
Come on, you do it.
Sir, 5 solutions.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Chalo, should I solve it?
Three
Sir,
solutions.
5 solutions.
5 solutions is correct. Your name?
Saidur Rahman.
Saidur
5
Rahman is
solutions.
absolutely correct. Super. Keep it up, man. Anybody?
Sir, 5 solutions.
5 solutions. नाम बोलो.
Sir, Shoaib, Karimnagar.
हाँ?
Sir, Shoaib, Karimnagar.
ओए करीमनगर.
Sir, 5 solutions, sir. Right.
Very good. Correct. Shoaib, 5 solutions. Karimnagar, correct. Anybody?
5 solutions, sir.
Name?
Abrar.
Huh?
Abrar.
Abrar, correct. Abrar, correct. What you will get? 3 theta is equal to
5 plus or minus 5 plus 1, 5 by 2.
theta is 2n plus 1 pi by 6. Pi by 6 is 30. So theta n equal to 0, 30, n equal to 1,
5 by 2, 90.
n equal to 1,
90.
2
pi by
into 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 pi by 6. Difference is 2. Next one, 5 pi by 6. Next one, 2, 7 pi by 6. Will this be there?
No.
Pi by 6 is 30. 210 crosses 180. How many will be there? Eka, Duki, Tiki. पूरे 4 अब तक. Next. Two theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. बचे लोग theta 2n plus 1 pi by 4. n equal to 0. What is theta?
5 by 4.
45. n equal to 1.
pi by 4.
45. What is 3 into 45? 135. Common difference is 2. 5 pi by 2. कुछ repetition है? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm getting 6 man.
Yes, sir. I'm also getting 6.
6 answers, sir.
Sir, that 3 pi by 6 is pi by 2. Pi by 2 is repeating, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
एक repetition आएगी. 3 pi by 6 is pi by 2.
5 by 2.
Yes, sir.
तो answer 5
I
होने का.
did-
5 solutions. बच्चे लोग, is the procedure clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is the
Yes,
procedure
sir.
clear? One more
Yes,
problem I will give. Remember, third time I am telling, these problems are very important for mains, advanced, BITSAT. For all competitive exam, they will only ask you number of solutions. General solution लिखो बोल के कोई नहीं बोलेगा.
Sir, 5 solutions. Sir,
5 solutions.
yes, sir. So, 4 solutions.
एक आंसर बोलना फिर।
मेरे को तो 6 solutions था।
Four solutions. Four solution. Four solution.
4 solutions.
Solution.
बस है बस है बस।
4 solutions.
How many?
Four.
4.
Five. 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 I did not go anywhere. There is a sofa here. I'm sitting there in that. There is a chair over here. No. Again. Which tool you will club?
7
Sin
theta plus
sin
sin
theta
theta.
plus sin theta.
What is sin C plus sin D?
2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by cos C minus D by 2.
2 sin cos. What do I get? 2 sin cos कितना आएगा 7 थीटा माइनस थीटा 6 थीटा बाई 2
3 theta sin 4 theta equal to 0.
क्या
Sin 4 theta common.
हाँ,
Sin 4 theta common. Cos 3 theta plus 1.
plus 1.
बच्चों लोग व्हाट इज वन केस
Sin 4 theta equals 0.
4 theta is equal to how much
And 5.
theta is
n pi by 4.
5 by 4.
By
अब
solution.
क्या क्या हो सकता है कैन
Two
n be
solutions also.
0
Yes.
yeah n1
Yes.
yeah
Yes.
n2
Yes.
2 pi by 4 is pi by 2 n3
No,
Yes.
no no
Sir.
that is pi
it
by
is
2
no
something.
this is yes this is yes this is yes this is for n0 this is for n1 this is for n2
Five solutions.
आओ आया आओ आया what is cos 3 theta minus half what is minus half
Cos minus pi by 6.
cos 90 plus 30 cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta so what is 3 theta 2n pi plus or minus what is 90 plus 30 90 plus 30 120 so what is 3 theta theta man am I correct am I correct
Yes, sir.
how
Sir.
many cases 2 cases 2n pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 9 and 2n pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 9 put n equal to 1 n equal to 0 pi by 9 is 180 by 9 20 pi by 9 is 20 2 into 20 40 so theta is equal to n0 40 n1 2 pi by 3 120 plus 40 is this acceptable no only one value either n0 not acceptable n1 n1 n0 what will I get minus 2 pi by 9 acceptable no n1 120 minus 40 what is 120 minus 40 120 minus 40 80 degrees is 80 degrees acceptable yes इसके बाद n2 240 240 minus 80 240 minus 80 how much man 160 is 160 degrees acceptable
No.
कितने आए 2 आए यहां से कितने आए 3 आए how many solutions Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do some JEE advanced questions. More than one answer correct. Multi-answer questions. More than one answer correct. I'm writing the options. Check for them. More than one answer correct. Chalo. I'm waiting for the answer. Everybody in the class should get the answer.
Sir, sir, A and D.
Chalo.
Sir, A and D, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Multi-answer questions.
A
More
and D,
than one answer correct. Jaldi.
first and fourth correct.
Arey Khan Chubit.
Your name?
Abdurrahman Khan.
Abdul Rahman, correct? Abdul Rahman, correct? I want more and more students to come out with the answer.
Sir, A and D, sir. A and D.
I'm waiting.
Sir, A and D.
Correct.
Sir, A and
A
D.
and D.
Correct. Shall I? What do you write this? 1 by cos 4 theta, 1 by cos 2 theta. What's the numerator man? Cos 2 theta minus cos 4 theta by cross multiply cos 2 theta minus cos 4 theta is equal to 2 cos 4 theta. What is 2 cos A cos B? Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. बच्चे लोग apply this formula. What does it gives you? बोलो. Cos 2 theta minus cos 4 theta. What is cos of A plus B? Cos of A minus B. Hello. I said you cannot cancel in multiplication. X square is equal to X. X is equal to 1. You should not do. X square plus X is equal to X plus 4. Can you cancel off X? Yes. Addition में cancel करना. Multiplication में नहीं करना. You will lose solution. Therefore, what is the sign? Sign is addition. Therefore, can I do cancellation here? Yes. Cancellation here. Yes. What does it gives you? Bring this here.
Cos 6 theta plus
Cos
cos 4
6
theta.
theta. आज 2-3 बार लिख दिए अब तक. I'm writing
Cos
third
6
time. What is
cos
cos plus cos B? 2 cos. What does it gives you? 2 cos 6 theta plus 4 theta. 10 theta by 2
phi theta.
cos 6 theta minus 4 theta.
2 theta.
6 theta minus 4 theta. How much one? 2 theta by 2 theta. Two cases. What is case 1?
Cos phi theta is 0.
What is your phi theta? 2
2n
and
plus 1 pi by 2.
चलो theta. 2n
2n
plus
plus
1
1 by
pi
by
by
10.
10. Which answer is correct? More than one answer correct. What is one more possibility?
Cos theta equals 0. Theta equals 1 plus 1 by 2.
Pi by 2.
Yeah, also. Tell me once you are done.
Done, sir.
Completed, sir.
Sure. Here are once again advanced questions. More than one answer correct. More than one answer correct.
Sir, screen not clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, screen is not clear.
The screen is not clear, sir.
Now clear, sir.
Now it is clear, sir.
Shall I give one hint? More than one answer correct. More than one answer correct. More than one answer correct. What is cos square theta? What is 2 cos square theta man? बच्चे लोग
Cos 2 theta plus 1.
1 plus
cos 2 theta
cos square theta.
plus
1
cos 2 theta.
cos 2 theta. What you should do? Multiply throughout by 2. What will I get?
is correct, sir.
2 cos square x. 2 cos square 2x. 2 cos square 3x. What is 2 cos square x? 1 plus cos 2x. ये वाला 1 plus
1 plus
cos
cos
2
x.
into 2x. What about 2 cos square 3x?
1 plus cos 6x.
1 plus cos 6x. What will I get? Cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3 में से 2 निकाल दे रहे हैं. I think we have done this earlier, man. Which chapter?
Sir,
What happened?
nothing, sir.
Club is 2. What is 1 plus cos 2x? 2 cos square x. Cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2. 6x plus 4x. 10x by 2. 5x. Cos. Bolo.
Cos
6x
x.
minus 4x. 2x. 2x
X.
by 2. X. What you can take common? What you can take common?
2 cos.
What remains? What is one possibility? What is x? 2n
2n
plus
plus 1
1.
pi by 2.
Which option is correct, man?
A.
Option A. Come on. Work out for the remaining. More than one answer correct. Come on.
Sir, I got A, C, and D, sir. 3 answers.
Three answers, sir.
Yes, sir. ACD.
Sir, ACD.
हाँ. How many answers are correct, man? ये आ गया और दो आएंगे. क्या क्या
C
है वो?
and D.
C and D.
हाँ?
C
C and D.
C and
C
D.
and D correct. Answer is A, C, D. A, C, D correct. What is the second case, man? I'm doing here.
Cos 5x plus cos x.
Shall I use cos C plus cos D? What will I get?
2 cos 3x
cos
cos
C
2x.
plus D by 2. C minus D by 2. 5x minus x. 4x by 2. What does it give you, man? Cos 3x 0. बच्चे लोग, what is 3x?
2n plus 1 pi by 2.
3x. 2n plus 1 pi by 2. What is x?
2n plus 1 pi by 6.
2n plus 1 pi by
6.
which option is correct?
D.
Next. Cos 2x is 0. X will be 2n plus 1.
Pi by 4.
Answers are A, C, D.
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay, we shall continue in the next class. Thank you. You can leave.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.